With Elegro you can buy any product paying with crypto. Just go to online store, choose a product and add it to a cart. Proceed to checkout and fill in required fields. Select Elegro Crypto Payment and press Place Order button. In a payment form appeared, specify your email and select a currency to pay with. Click Pay button. All payment info including amount, QR code and wallet address will be generated automatically. Additionally, you will get an email with the payment details. Due to high volatility, you have a limited time for a payment. To complete your purchase, go to MyEthWallet. Generate a transaction with the specified details. We recommend to copy-paste wallet address and amount to pay in relevant fields. Check the transaction details in an appeared window and click Ensure button. After the transaction is made, you'll get a notification email about the successful payment. Click Verify button to track the transaction on Etherscan. A merchant can find each transaction data in the dashboard. After a successful client's payment, the transaction status changes from pending to successful. Click on the transaction to view the details.